and thank you for joining us from across America and around the world. The Ioniq 5 is a vehicle unlike anything in the market, a crossover that sets a new standard for Hyundai and the EV industry as a whole. As a critical pillar in Hyundai's electrification strategy, Ioniq 5 introduces our first dedicated battery electric platform, the eGMP, or Electric Global Modular Platform. We are thrilled to introduce you to Hyundai's first ever Ioniq 5.
Our design mission with Ioniq 5 was to create a new mobility experience for the next generation. Dynamic parametric surfaces define the exterior. Their clean, sharp lines give Ioniq 5 an angular, almost geometric look. The parametric pixel is the Ioniq 5's iconic design detail. We envisioned the Ioniq 5's interior to be the space that seamlessly connects from one space to another, with more legroom, more room to spread out, and more comfort than any other vehicle in its class. We leveraged the flat floor of the new global EV platform to create an innovative center console. This universal island lets drivers choose different seating configurations. We hid ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin. Along with space for living, the new EV platform maximizes Ioniq 5's space for cargo. And in keeping with our newest EV's environmental spirit, we used eco-friendly, sustainably sourced materials for many of the interior surfaces.
Designed with customer feedback in mind, Ioniq is a bridge to the future of eco-friendly electric mobility. Our single-motor rear-wheel drive model puts out 225 horsepower with 258 pound-feet of torque and can travel up to 300 miles on a full charge. The dual-motor, all-wheel drive models kick the power up a notch with 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque. On an ultra-fast charger, you can add 60 miles of range in just 5 minutes, or take Ioniq from 10% charge to 80% in less than 18 minutes. And the Ioniq 5 charging system is bi-directional. It has 220-volt receptacles. We call this feature vehicle to load. Ioniq 5 debuts Hyundai's segment-first application of a heads-up display with augmented reality capability. Ioniq's futuristic interior also features 2 seamless 12.3-inch high-definition cluster and navigation displays. Of course, safety is paramount at Hyundai. Ioniq's new Smart Sense offers the most comprehensive suite of safety and driver assist features available in the mainstream market. And of course, Ioniq 5 is equipped with the latest version of our BlueLink connected car services. BlueLink now includes a feature that brings yet another dimension to your commute: in-car payment. With a simple touch of the screen, in-car payment lets you order and pay for fast food, coffee, parking, charging, and more. When you add up all of Ioniq's comfort, convenience, and connectivity, and unlimited charging for 2 years, nothing in the market even comes close. This is the next-gen EV.
In order to support our Ioniq 5 customers, we will continue to partner with Electrify America and other charging services to provide convenient, ultra-fast charging stations across the country. Electrify America's network of over 800 stations offers owners the access they need to fully enjoy their EV. The new Ioniq 5 arrives at dealerships this fall. We have a pre-reservation program that offers special benefits. We are also looking at alternative ownership models to attract and engage first-time EV customers. We will offer a simple automobile subscription service that would feature a single, all-inclusive monthly payment. If you would like more information about Ioniq, please visit us at Hyundai.com.